Good morning from the village side. Today I want to show you something. We are cooking something here. Today we are cooking this. So in the village they use dried maize. Dried maize. That is what they use to cook the gideri. So we have the dried maize in water, then we placed on fire. Today we are cooking outside. So I will cover with this like that. Now it's covered. Now it will cook for a while. Then we add some beans. Then we will have our beans and maize medley. Straight from Ushago, from the up country. Welcome to the Great Asneth Channel. Alright, our maize is ready now. It's time to add the beans to cook for some time also. Then they will be ready for people to eat. I want to show you the final product. Look at that. This is how it is. This is the big cooking stick I was telling you about last time. Now, this one, you use both hands to cook ugali. Now this is what we used to. They are so soft. You see, they are well cooked. Now, you know, in the village you don't fry them, you just eat them like this. So I'm going to add salt and it will be ready for people to eat. It will be ready to serve just like that, and it's so sweet, very delicious. If you don't know, you just don't know, but this very delicious. We are here now. This is how we served it, just like that, and we are done. Thank you for joining me on this video, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. See you in my next video. Bye from the village side.